This is a do-it-yourself family educational tour, and we are bringing along our cutie little kids to some tourist destinations here in our beautiful province of Albay. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Eleanor Banzuela, proud Bicolana, proud Albayan. I am a private tutor and I do basic reading tutorials to Filipino kids below 8 years old. So, if you feel that there is somebody in your household who needs assistance, please visit my Abacada tutorials playlist. Thank you.
We're
So,
going to Mayon
Rest House. Mayon Rest House ba bang pangalan niya? At may Skyline, Jeja.
and we're gonna eat some guacamole. Just kidding.
Oh, just kidding.
We're just going and we're in a car with my mommy and daddy and Kuya Mel and Mia and Ate Ella and Kuya Chi.
What about the other car? Who's in
Wala
there?
si Jiro.
Sino pang sa other car? Sino ang nasa other car? Sino andun sa other car?
Uncle Doc Fitz. Uncle Doc Fitz.
Sino pa?
Mom C, tas Ate Rin.
Sino pa?
Abo.
Si Babu. Nakakalimutan mo si Babu. Diba? And saan tayo pupunta?
Doon na Mayon.
Sa Mayon Skyline. Ano gagawin natin doon?
Pwede siyang kalunggay.
Manonood ng... Tingnan natin kung ano na nangyayari sa Mayon.
Saan nagpinabag si Ate Jo?
Mayon.
We're gonna picnic, Mommy. But
Today, they can learn something by joining us in our tour. So, kids, do you know that the world's most perfect cone volcano is located right here in our place, here in the province of Albay, and you can go around it in 360 degrees. To be exact, it is located in Albay, Bicol region, Philippines. It is 2,700 feet above sea level. And the best way to get nearest to the crater is the Mayon Observatory at the Mayon Skyline in Tabaco City. There is no entrance fee. Well, actually, even if you go there personally, there is no entrance fee. The road is open to everyone who wants to visit the place. So, let me guide you there and see what this area has to offer to tourists like you or even like us, the locals, who even though we are Albayanos, most of us haven't really gone to that area. And because this is a continuation of our trip from Agus Farm, all we have to do is go back to the main streets, to the main highway, and turn right and follow the road to Tabaco City. And from there, your driver will just turn left and bring you to the slopes of Mayon Volcano. The road going upwards to the Mayon Volcano is like a snake. So, please take note that we are now snaking through the slopes of Mayon Volcano. The soil here is very fertile. On the sides of the road, we can see that there are plantations, and most of them are vegetables, fruit-bearing trees, root crops, and a lot more. And the products are being brought to the market for sale. Mayon Skyline, formerly named Mayon Rest House, is located halfway to the crater of the Mayon Volcano. It is very cold there because of the height. Mayon Volcano is the most active volcano in the Philippines. It has erupted more than 50 times and has claimed the lives of so many people in the province. The Mayon Skyline has an observatory that monitors the activities of the volcano. It has a planetarium and a view deck where you can see the breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean in the close-up view of the Mayon Volcano.
The form of the trees being they're all some.
Would you believe that those are not trees?
No.
Those are ferns.
Oh.
Yeah.
A big one.
And you can actually eat those leaves. You can cook it with coconut oil. Coconut milk. Ang dahon niya, sugari pa curve na minaarugkaan. Fern yan.
Ano yan? Ano ang lasa? Garip ako.
Hindi.
Does it taste?
Di ko alam. Basta, gulay.
Ba nakakaon?
Oo, nakaw ng fern. Yeah.
Ano ko kain? Ano yan?
Tinaguway din yung naman. Tinaguway din yung pala nito.
Ayun ang ginigibo dyan. Bakit arog ka?
Tinaguway din yung baga ko.
Gaway dining, pero parang observatory or something.
Nakatakot pag nanyaw ka na sa ano may cliff. Anong portion?
I
Doon
don't
ka
care.
nagsusuro siguro.
I don't care wherever we go. I will just. There's only one thing I will do if I went to Manila. For the biggest burger ever.
Biggest burger, you can find it at Sarks? Sarks by Eleanor.
Sarks.
We're not excited, yeah.
Taas na tayo. Vlog sila.
Ay, naabot na so sunset.
Butantang sunset.
Sunset, uy.
Maka nervous magdaraki-aki naman sa may tampe.
Uncle Night, bless you. Thank you.
Yeah, look at the
I always
sunset.
wanted to see my mom so happy and also terrified.
And you're happier. You had to see your mom happy and you are happier.
I already saw that many times, but she's not happy, but she's frustrated with me.
Wow, smooth! Wow!
Oh my
Bagong asphalt!
Yung may fog, baby.
Ayun o, tingnan mo. See? Those are not trees. Those are fern.
There's fog. I never saw fog before.
Because we are in a higher altitude already.
It's not fog, it's just Uncle Night smoke from the car.
Or Kuya Mel cigarettes.
Gabing sigarilyo yan.
Yes, I saw. Kuya Mel drew a cigarette and then it smoked a lot. Wow. Oh my god. It's
Wow,
not
look at
fog at
that.
all. It's Uncle Mike's fart.
Grabe ba? Hala ka. Do you have any idea that you are being recorded
We have proof.
and that can be used against you? And there might be probability that you won't be joining next week because of what you said.
Mababad kayo, Uncle.
What's wrong talaga?
Ay, ano man yan? Abo niya. Ano tambutso ni Kuya Magaro si Sakay
Black na
ko.
bagay yan.
Talaga yan.
Baga, oh.
Super pa masargata baga.
Let me finish this.
Grabe, minaranta.
Fart of
Nag-arantod talaga. Minairotom talaga yan pag nagtukad.
Imagine kung nakamotor ka tapos nakatuto ka dyan.
May motor nga ni Samuel, nagano baga.
Nag-iritom so mask ka to.
Now you're gonna also be filed again.
Nagtarakluman do mga.
Boy pa ini.
Buhay pa mag. Buhay na ay puto.
Chill lang siya. O, nasa ano talaga.
Oh. Ano ta diban? Ay?
Sure. Parang
Oh,
hindi. Andun na tayo eh.
Ala,
Mali tayo. Mali. Andito na yung observatory.
Narinig ko na nga yung skyline. Kasain pa daw ito.
ha?
Mali yung naduman na
Alam
yung
ko yung baga oh.
look.
Hala.
Hala.
Mali yung nadumanan ninda.
Ano ba kayo observant?
Yan, after 5 years, nakabalik ako.
Oh, ito na.
Oh, di na, oh. Di ko alam kung
Tawid ko kaya duman sa rosary something. Nandito na
guys.
kami.
We're currently at Mayon Skyline today and ang lamig-lamig po dito ngayon parang nasa Baguio. Malamig. Ang sarap ng hangin. So at the back is, at my background is the Mayon Planetarium. The kids are enjoying the playground at the back. Ang lamig po dito para lang kung nasa Baguio eh. So, sometimes I feel like, bakit ba ako pupunta sa Baguio kung meron din namang siglamig ng Baguio? The other thing here is, hindi siya masyadong pangmatagalan na pagstay kasi nga viewing lang. Meron yung hotel dito but it's a little bit expensive. But we just came from Legazpi City, so on our way to Santo Domingo, then uphill here to the Mayon Skyline. So it's a little bit quite dark now, about 5 o'clock, but things are still the same. So you can see at the background yung I Love Tabaco at yung Mayon Volcano, tip of Mayon Volcano. Mayon Volcano. That's the tip of the Mayon Volcano. Tip of the Mayon.
Literally, I am not scared too. Wow! It's so scary here, I think. I don't be scared. Bitch! I'm not scared. Hi guys!
Nilalamig.
Oh no!
Hi guys! Where have you been? Rain, rain!
Diba sabi ko no running? Walk.
Ayos si Melo. Nakikilaban kay kay sino yan?
Picturean ka tatango para
Picturean ka na, ayan o. O sige nga, makipaglabang ka nga sa kanya. Makipag-appreciate ka.
Sino?
Grabe siya.
Sino mo? Imagine mo mga lugar na maaabutan kung may high heels kita.
That these little kids are also given the chance to experience the fun, the thrill and adventure, roaming around, touring their own locality. And of course, a playground indeed can keep kids intact. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope to see you again next time. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.